What's up, family? Dave here. Thanks for joining me, stopping by, hanging out for a little while. I'm just playing, guys. That was just a quick montage to a good friend of mine and a fellow reviewer, Mike, aka Swagfather, Mr. Cribs himself. Mike, thanks for the hat, brother. I love it. I appreciate it. I've been wearing it every day since. And you guys keep on doing what you're doing, and God bless. Oh, fellas, welcome back in. We're going to be reviewing a company that I got my hands on, I guess about a week ago. I've been looking at them for a while. I've seen some other reviews on them. They look great. Everybody's response to them was great. They are IBC, Iowa Beard Company. Their website, iowabeardcompany.com, same way as their handle on Instagram. I've talked to the owner a couple times. Great guy. Really thankful. He actually held out my order to get me this t-shirt. The back of it's got like a really cool traditional bearded lady on it. You guys sit back, relax, enjoy the intro, and I'll see you when you get back. I didn't introduce myself properly. My name's David. I am that beard guy, Kansas City. If this is your first time into the channel, welcome in. If you're coming back, welcome back. If you're thinking about growing a beard, or just interested in different beard things, go ahead and subscribe. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up. If you don't, hit the thumbs down. And as always, please feel free to leave a comment. Nothing's better than interaction with the people that are watching the videos. For this review, we have got one oil, one balm, and one butter, all in the same scent. That is the tobacco bitter scent. For me, I always think of tobacco a certain way, or two ways, I guess. There's the earthy, like fields of tobacco scent, and then there is the pipe tobacco, the really sweet, different style, like you might think of something in Papa's Chair by Damn Yankee or something like that. This tobacco is just very subtle in the background. I did some research on why it's called tobacco bitters, and the only thing I can find refers to a bartender's mix that they use that's very sweet and very aromatic, and that does fit quite well with this oil, balm, and butter. With these, it's tobacco absolute, cinnamon, and vanilla. It's a very interesting, very nice combination. I've worn it 5 out of 7 days this week, and everybody has asked me, hey, what new cologne do you have on? What are you wearing? I explained to them, as always, that it's my beard oil. They still haven't figured that out yet, but that's for them. Let's get into the products. This is the beard oil here. Great labeling on both sides. Great top, no restrictor, wide open on this one. Ingredients: jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, argan oil, vitamin E oil, and then the 3 scents that are in it to give it the scent profile. It's not a super thin, it's not a super thick. It's more on the thinner side for me than the thicker ones are, but again, as you guys know, I am a fan of castor oil for its thickness for the style of beard that I have. The balm. Balm. This balm is really nice, great scent. Not a super duper chunky balm, not the hair stand up on end type stuff that we've seen in a couple different balms and gone. It is a very medium hold, but the flyaway control on this is amazing. I've become a big fan. I know there's been a lot of talk lately about balms or butters. Do you like balms? I like butters. Either way, guys, it's all preference, right? I prefer balms and butters, but I hope we're still at a point where if you like balms, it's okay. It's okay to, I'm an against the grain type of guy. You can tell I get really excited when I talk about it. I'm very excitable, much like a little chihuahua is. But for real, I do use balms and butters, so I'm a fan of both. The butters. Right? The hot topic, the holy grail of the beard community right now, the almighty butter. This butter, guys, is a whipped more definitely than some of the ones I've seen before. So, I mean, you can literally just set it there, move it around a little bit, gone. It's gone, right? So it is a very whipped butter, still very nourishing. I wear my butters at night. I don't know about you guys. Put a whole bunch more stuff in my beard, but that's okay because it's all natural. I do like butters that when I wake up in the morning, my beard is much easier to contain. I have a very wiry type beard, not super curly like some of the ones I have seen, not super straight like other ones. Mine is just really wiry because of the gray. So anything I can do to help tame it down in the morning is greatly appreciated when I'm trying to fly out the door at 5:35 in the morning to make it to work on time. I also really like the containers that all of these came in. I'm going to put through some pictures for you guys to check out of all the ingredients, the different stuff that's on the front of the labels. I think he did a really, really great job on these. The way a company sets up their bottles or balms or their butters, I think that says a lot about them. Too many companies put in really great work for it to not get noticed. This was a very short, very direct sort of review. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The channel is growing. Guys, if you want to come back, share, like, whatever you want to do. We are right at the cusp of having 100 viewers, and that means it's time for the 100 subscriber giveaway. How it's gonna work, just to wrap it up really nice, at the 100th subscriber, I'm gonna put in all the information for all 100 subscribers on my channel, use a random name picker, and bam, we have a winner, right? So I hope it's you guys. I'll keep my fingers crossed. As always, guys, if you have a beard, keep rocking it. If you're thinking about growing a beard, quit wasting time and get after it. And if you don't have a beard at all, thanks for sticking by and learning about something you maybe didn't know before. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you guys on the next review.